Hello children, today we will study about different methods of food preservation. Food preservation is the method of preserving food from spoiling caused by microorganisms. There are so many methods of it, and first we will understand why the food preservation is essential. There are so many reasons due to which there are importance of food preservation. It remove and kill the pathogens. Already we are knowing pathogens are disease causing microorganisms. It improve food quality. It remove moisture from the food so that the microorganism will not grow in it. It improve the shelf of foods. There are so many methods of food preservation, as I already told to you. Dehydration. What is this dehydration method? It is the process of removing water from fruits and vegetables. It results in the decrease of moisture content. Sun drying is an old method of preserving food materials such as vegetables, fish, meat, etc. Next method is salting the food. Salt and sugar both help in preservation of food material. The method of adding sufficient amount of salt to preserve food is called salting. It is employed for the preservation of raw mango, amla, beans, fish, meat, etc. Sugar can also be used for preservation. A sugar syrup containing more than 68% sugar contents has very little moisture in it, and therefore bacteria cannot grow in it. Next method you will see, this method is known as pasteurization. This method is discovered by Louis Pasteur. So now we will understand what is the pasteurization method. In pasteurization, boiling to very high temperatures and cooling suddenly to a very low temperature is done. This method was invented by Louis Pasteur. Milk can be preserved by pasteurization. Not only in food industry but in the medical field also, the surgical instruments are pasteurized to kill the microorganism. You can see here the pic of the Louis Pasteur. Next method is canning. Canning involves the cooking of foodstuff and then storing in sterilized tin containers. Next method is freezing. As you know, action of enzymes get deactivated or slows down at low temperature, and the growth of microorganism also slows down at low temperature. So it is very general methods. Next method is known as irradiation. In irradiation method, the microorganism present in food is killed by different rays like X-rays, gamma rays, which kills microbes and slows ripening of fruit. But suppose if the food items already affected by microorganisms, then this method will not work. There are so many chemical preservatives which we use to prevent the growth of microorganisms like sodium benzoate and potassium metabisulfite. So I think these methods are very good methods for preserving the food. We should also understand so many other methods like preservation by oil and vinegar. Use of oil and vinegar also prevents spoilage of pickles because bacteria cannot live in such an environment. Vegetables, fruits, fish, etc. are preserved by this method. So thank you children. I think these information are enough.